I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday and we're getting ready to go to celebrate my husband and my daughter's birthday because we didn't do, and mine's is tomorrow the 28th. So we're gonna go to grandparents' house and barbecue, and I'm on a fast. I don't know how that's gonna work. He thinks that I'm gonna break, but I'm not. This is very important. We're going to grandparents' house. The boys are already there. They're gonna spend the whole week, so I have just Jaxson and Destiny for the whole week, and I have plans for them. So because I have a tiny car, I can't take all the kids, so it's best if the boys stay with their grandparents for the whole week.
No, I'm taking out the Oreos, so no one can take cake.
Which one did you choose, Destiny?
This one. But they said to put it back.
Armando, I don't know. Because he's Spanish. He's not my daddy. He's Spanish.
Wait.
I had you.
Look at my birthday flowers, guys, and I put it in my pour. But I put it, I still kept it in the bag and put the water in here because I don't want to put no water in my pour. It's weird, but this is, my daughter picked this out, and then I got 2, 4, 5 roses, and these. It's just so pretty. This guy right here. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, sunshines. There you go, Maddie. Say good morning. What's on your face? Okay, guys, this is a restroom.
Wait, where is the bathroom? Where's the bathroom?
Park your stroller here. Little table. And you can breastfeed. You can breastfeed in here. This is in our mall. Wow. You can breastfeed in here too. You have a sink, a microwave. Oh my gosh. Say hi, Maddie. Say hi, baby. She's like, look at all these people. So today is my birthday, and oh, it's open? Yeah. Oh, we stood here all that time. So today's my birthday, and this little one over here gave me a gift card to Bath and Body Works. And wait, just wait. You should have gone. You should have opened it. So she gave me a gift card to Bath and Body Works. Yeah, there's a bathroom here, but we thought there was someone in there, so we didn't go.
So did you use it?
Look, honey, there's a nursing station over there. You can nurse your baby. And there's a, right here you park your strollers.
You're still waiting to use the bathroom?
Yeah. So, yeah, I got a gift card to Bath and Body Works. So I went and I got me some stuff. And now I have to go to Sephora because I have a Sephora gift card. And yeah.
You can lock it. Okay. I got it. I got you.
Here.
I'm out here, okay?
Found them. They were free. Here. Oh, Daddy's standing guard at the bathroom. But this is nice. Like, I've never seen a bathroom this nice.
That's weird. Big as our apartment?
This is so big. This is bigger than our apartment.
Where did you get this from?
Over there. Someone left them there. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's my birthday. Birthday. It's my birthday. Happy birthday.
Maddie's like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
No, Daddy's saying, what are you doing? Her hair's a mess. I did not comb it. But hey, Maddie can rock a bad hair day. Go, go. You gotta do what they're doing. You gotta do what they're doing. Break your leg. You didn't want to dance for me, Papa? Do it! No?
Well, like you said that.
Alright, let's go. Gosh, you crazy girl.
You want some more sub?
I don't want any sub.
No. Bring me in, buddy. Are you gonna scoot over or you want me to scoot over?
So we're sitting down to eat something. I don't even know what to eat because I'm on the fast, so I'm not supposed to be eating anyways. I need some kind of protein. I don't know. I may or may not. I need the energy to hang out with these people for my birthday. So, yeah. But the temptations are not that bad.
No, but you still need a little energy.
I do need energy. But it's not that bad. Like, look at my husband's food.
Straight carbs.
Look at that. Like, loaded. Look at my plates. Look at my plates. My plate is so fancy. But I think after this, I have $100 to Kohl's, and then I'm gonna go see if I can find anything at clothes. It's always hard to find clothes, cause I don't know. It's hard to find clothes. So that's gonna be the hardest part, is to get clothes and stuff, and to see what I actually like. But in the meantime, my babies are over there getting dirty. Look at Maddie. Maddie looks like a wild child. Like, she legit looks like she's going crazy. Hi!
No, it looks like she does some pictures. She's standing on the seat by herself.
I know. Yes, you so wow. Yes.
Like you're going evil.
Is your face clean? Is your face clean, girl? Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday. I totally didn't give you guys a vlog on Monday because it was my birthday. So yeah, I didn't do much for my birthday. My husband took me to go get some he bought me gift cards, so he took me to go spend the gift card. I should do a haul of all the stuff I got. I got a bunch of stuff. I just discovered Kohl's, and they are crazy. Their prices are like insane. Like, I got workout tops for like $1.40. Like, usually I spend anywhere from $5 to $10 on workout tops. And So yeah, and then yesterday it was just a bad birthday because one of my cousins that we have the same birthday, she died the beginning of this year, so it was kind of hard. It wasn't a birthday that I was looking forward to having because I knew that come this birthday it would be sad, and it's just, birthdays will never be the same for me. Even though this is how my family works. We are a large family. I have a crazy amount of family, but we don't speak to each other, and that is just the sad aspect of it, because growing up I knew that they were my family, but it wasn't a close bond like cousins grow up these days and they're like sisters. I don't have that type of family. And even now, my sister, I invited my sisters to my daughter's little celebration that we had on Sunday. It wasn't anything big. It was so small. It was really small. But it's just the fact that I invited them, and I called 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 and I called, and no one answered. No one picked up their phone. No one texted. And I had made arrangement for their kids to come, you know, celebrate my daughter's birthday. And the saddest part about that whole experience is that I told my daughter that they were coming, and my little girl sat out in the front waiting for them to show up, and they didn't come. So that was just the part that made me sad, was that I allow my family to hurt my kids. And trust me, it will never happen again. But anyways, that was the sad part, because I didn't call my sister yesterday for her birthday to wish her happy birthday. And I thought we were way past the pettiness, and I thought we were way past, you know, stuff like that. But it just goes to show you that family has the power to hurt you way more than strangers can, you know. And it was kind of sad. But anyways, I don't even know why I let stuff like that get to me anymore, you know. So my mom, not even my mom, called me for my birthday. You know, she's kind of mad at me. I don't even know why. I don't know why that lady's mad at me, but at this point, if you're watching, I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I don't give a crap if you feel like I'm stuck up or I'm some kind of way. I don't care anymore, okay? So you can watch my videos all you want to and then call me and say, oh, but we're this. No, we're not that. We never grew up that way. Let's not pretend, okay? Let's not pretend. Anyways, I have Gia Butt here. We're gonna go Ray done hunting, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna edit the video and give it to you guys. I'm sorry it didn't go up yesterday. It's just that I was dealing with a lot yesterday, and yeah, so I'm gonna go right down hunting. And it's raining. And it's raining, and I gotta come back and do laundry. I cleaned last night. I cleaned up last night. You know, I got up and I cleaned up my whole house, and I feel good that my space, my environment is clean, and yeah. So yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for all the well wishes that you guys left under my video, all the birthday, you know, happy birthday to my husband and my daughter. And we just want to say thank you guys so much for your support. You guys are awesome. Say hi. Hi. Say good morning.
There's something on the camera.
Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you for what?
Thank you for
saying happy birthday. Okay, so we're gonna get going out of here, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye.
And you're going to my show.
Okay, okay. Hi, baby.
Okay, no problem.
Maddie, where you going, baby? Where you going, Dollface? Jojo? Oh. Where you going, Dollface?
No, and your name? And what's your name?
My name is Mitchell.
Mitchell. Okay.
Ah, come in.
Hi, sunshine. Hi, sunshine.
I just jumped over her. Yeah, girl. Jaxson is waiting for his lunch. Destiny made hers.
I'm trying to figure out if I took two turkeys or 3.
It doesn't matter. No, you don't put that in your mouth. Give it to me. Give it to me. Don't put that in your mouth, Maddie.
Right.
So, I only have 3 kids. I only have 3 kids this week. It is nice. It's like so easy and less stress. Like I'm not yelling at anyone. Like, so I'm making Jackson's pizza. It's just a little,
Mac and cheese too.
it's a little lunchable in the thing. And then my husband is home early today because he got off work early, and he's making himself his own lunch, which is all good. And then I'm gonna make chicken Alfredo for dinner. And I'm on a fast. I'm on the fast, and I've been on a fast since Sunday. Yeah. So today's the end of it. And yeah, I did good.
What? Yeah.
I did good. Yay! Considering yesterday was my birthday. Could have had birthday cake and everything and had a party and all that. Well, technically we did have a party, but it was for my daughter and my husband. So yeah. Anyways, nothing is going on here, so I'm just gonna finish this up and give it to you guys. And call it
A Tuesday.
a Tuesday. A Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Look at Hub's plate. What are you eating, baby? A hot dog. He's eating hot dog, mac and cheese, and steak. In the middle of the day. In the middle of the day, he's having steak. But I went radon hunting, and I didn't find anything. Not one piece. And it's raining really hard. It's been raining really hard. And I can't complain because compared to what Texas is going through, I just feel bad. I feel bad. Especially on the news yesterday where a family of 6, I think, died trying to evacuate. And I'm just like, you can't take life for granted. One minute you're here and the next day you're fighting for your life, or you're, you know, in a situation where, and it just breaks my heart because those are little babies, you know, and they didn't deserve to die that way.
What happened?
Texas, there were a family of 6 was trying to evacuate, and they drowned. The grandparents and the kids, they drowned. So it's sad. It's really sad because I think about my own children and I'm like, just gotta pray. Anyways, there's nothing else going on here. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting. I am up to 921 sunshines. Like that's I can't even believe I know in the grand scheme of everything. Okay, dude. I know in the grand scheme of everything that's a little bit.
Want a pizza?
That's not a lot of. I know, Jaxson. I'm not doing that with you today. I'm going in my room. I get better lighting in my room. But anyways, like I was saying, I know that 921 subscribers is not a lot, but for me that is a lot because I know where it started and where I'm coming from. So yeah, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Like, yeah, so I'm happy that you guys chose to watch my videos. And I don't even know, I'm hungry. I'm weak. At this point I think I'm dehydrated. My son thinks just, let me stop rambling. Anyway guys, thanks for all of your support, and I will see you guys. I'm thinking of doing daily vlogs, but it's just the editing. It's just the editing, and it's just. But we shall see, okay? Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, there's gonna be a lot of changes. So get ready, okay? Get ready, alright? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye!